Number 1.
Train smarter, not harder, with the Sunny Health and Fitness T7515 Smart Treadmill. Listen to your favorite gym playlist and answer your phone via Bluetooth speakers, or simply connect directly with our auxiliary cord, all while tracking a variety of options. The handrails provide a variety of tools to help gauge your workout. Just want to get on and go? The convenient quick auto incline and speed buttons make it simple, easily accessible. The soft drop hydraulic system makes unfolding seamless. Easy to fold and move with the built-in transportation wheels. Turn ordinary into extraordinary with the Sunny Health and Fitness T7515 Smart Treadmill.
Number 2.
Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Number 3.
Start your fitness journey today. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise on the entire body. Achieve an excellent cardio workout with the SFT1407M manual treadmill. The fixed incline helps you build a controlled momentum to increase calorie burn while providing a low-impact form of exercise. This compact walking treadmill is built with a sturdy frame that requires no plugs or outlets. The smooth, quiet running belt provides enough space and safety for a longer cardio session. The non-slip stability handlebars are here to support you during walks, jogs, or runs. After your workout, use the convenient performance monitor to track your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. After a workout, step off onto the textured side rails. When finished, fold up your treadmill and use the convenient transportation wheels to easily store your compact treadmill anywhere. Health and fitness is a journey, so start yours with Sunny Health and Fitness.